you buy anything from a registered person, you will see that on your purchase invoice, there is written a goods and service tax number at the top. So what is this? This is a random alphanumeric code, which is a PAN based code allotted by the GST department to the user, whoever is enrolling or whoever is registering with the department, right? So many a times in our tax, yeah, I'm also practicing as a tax consultant. So many a times in our tax practice, we get a list of this big GST numbers. So we need to break down this GST numbers into 4 parts. Okay, let's just look at the breakup of this GST number. Please try to understand this. This is very important for understanding this example. This is very important. So the first two characters are the numbers which indicates the state code of that particular registered person. Let's say you have taken the registration in the state of Delhi. So this state code will be 07. If you have taken the registration in the state of Uttar Pradesh, it will be 09. If you have taken the registration in Maharashtra, 27, MP 23, and so on. So first two are the numbers which indicates the state code. The next 10 characters are the PAN number, permanent account number of all the registered person. The 13th character, please note it, the 13th character of this out of this 15 is the registration number, or how many branches that particular person is having, how many registration number that person have taken in a same state. That is a registration number, the 13th character. Okay, then the next we have is the fixed default letter Z, and the last is a random alphanumeric code. That can be a random check code, it can be A to Z, it can be 0 to 9. So this last two are of not much use, but yes, state code, PAN number, and the 13th character, that is registration number, are very important. So in our practice, we get this much list, and we are required, try to focus on this now, we are required to extract the state code in a separate column out of this GST number, the PAN number separately in another column out of this GST number, and the number of branches, which character, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, or 15th. Which character is number of branches? Which character indicates number of branches? Can anyone tell me? 13th character, yes. So that is 1 in this case, and the last two characters are not of much use, so we are required to extract them separately. Are you getting it? In this way, we are required to extract out of this GST number state code separately, PAN number separately, the 13th character which indicates number of branches separately, and the last two characters separately. So I want to know from you guys in the chat box, is it possible to make this split or bifurcation for this entire list manually? How many of you think it is possible to make this bifurcation of this entire big list manually? Yes, those who are saying yes, but yes, it is possible, but it will take time. And even after taking time, you cannot say anything with confidence. So we can say it is not possible, right? Very difficult. Yes, it can lead to mistake, Mayuri. That's right. So what to do then? For this reason, we have the super brilliant, super amazing flash fill function. As the name is, flash fill. Within a blink of your eyes, it will do this task. Just understand. What you have to do in this function, you need to make the bifurcation like this for the first row item. You need to make the bifurcation like this for the first row item, right? Then just go to the cell immediately below this, the first bifurcation which you have made, and press Control E for elephant. Just press Control E for elephant. Shivani, drag won't work. Trust me on that. So just press Control E for elephant, and you can see all the state codes are extracted. Just go to the cell below PAN number and press Control E. Just within a blink of your eyes, not even within a blink of your eyes, just within a nano fraction of second, your PAN numbers are extracted. Isn't that amazing? Once again, Okay, just write it for the first row item manually. Go to the cell below this and press Ctrl E. My state codes are extracted. Ajay, drag method won't work, my friend. Just look at it. Okay, Ajay, Shivani, is that clear? Drag method won't work. So we need to just go to the cell below this and press Ctrl E. All my PAN numbers are extracted. Good. Can anyone tell me what exactly the working pattern is? How exactly this function is working? Can anyone tell me that? Try to understand the logic behind everything, guys. What is happening when you press Ctrl E? Excel just goes to the cell above it and it checks or analyzes the pattern which you have used and compares this particular number with this GSTN, and analyzing this pattern, it gives you the desired answer. Same way here, it compares this PAN number with this GST number and it understands that you are trying to extract the characters from second to 12th character, and same way it will perform the exercise.